I'm trying to do a cleaning video and Layla's trying to be all up in it. But as you can see, let me show you guys what the living room's looking like right now. Got Layla just folding laundry. I need to move the blankets. Got Bentley sleeping there and my cup of water on the floor. And then I'm just gonna dust this. I'm gonna take care of my plants. Pick up this area. And then just take care of this. This is me. Let me show you guys like my bump. I am looking pretty big. So let's keep going.
It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I?
Going to
Everyone back to the car park. That way they don't have so far to walk to
a baby
the car.
painting.
But Sadie,
A baby
go on
painting.
land like
A
hovercraft.
baby
Oh,
painting.
Grandpa Pig, who is
Baby
this friend of
bunting.
yours?
So sorry about that.
Pick up goes
We want
and
to
the dog.
rescuing
Now.
us.
Oh, I
For-
see. He's called Grampy Rabbit.
Delighted to meet you, Elfie. You're very welcome.
Mommy.
Yeah, I'm folding laundry.
Yes,
Mommy.
Grampy Rabbit.
Yes, ma'am.
One.
Hip, hip. Hip, hip.
Right.
You. But I'm in love with myself. 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 I want you to know I won't let go, even if I couldn't love you back the same way you've been loving me always. Please understand and take my hand. Say you won't hold this against me, 'cause I can't help that I'm feeling this way.
Welcome.
What are you doing?
Thank you for making me see it. I know I never meant to hurt you. I know I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 I know I never meant to hurt you. I know I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you. And we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid, calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer. Oh, my Indian summer. pretend, we do our best to hide. Innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming anyway, so take me away, some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid, calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer. Oh, my Indian summer. Oh, my Indian summer. We've crossed the borderline into our dream. Nothing will ever be as real as this. The flames won't burn our skin. We're thick as thieves, and we know what we do. We live on like an echo. Oh, so take me away, some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid, calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer. Oh, my Indian summer. Oh, my Indian summer.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Ooh.
up, boo-boo? Okay, you guys, so I literally just cleaned the common area, which was my living room and my kitchen. And I'm gonna do everything else off camera just because it's taking me time and I am kind of like waddling around. And just the fact with like Layla being home and then my son's home from school. So I'm gonna hang out with him. I might not even do my room today. Just gonna kind of show you guys what it looks like. So I love these two guys. They light up. Heat plugs, and I got him at Target. And I got him at TJ Maxx 2 years ago. But I don't have them on because it's not nighttime, so like the effect's not there. Here are the plants. The olive oil makes them look really nice. And I just got it nice and vacuumed. These were the pillows I was telling you guys about on my haul that I got from TJ Maxx. That everybody's like, oh, go get the pillows. Got a blanket. Adrian's chilling, and he's got his little s'more house shoes on.
Playing my Switch.
Yeah, he just finished cleaning his room and doing his chores. I got Bentley's house cleaned out. And then I like this. I got this from Goodwill a couple of years ago, and I got these from Michael's a couple of years ago. Then I just got these added recently, and I took some of these off and just kind of made it look like fallen leaves. Layla's just munching. This is water. I've been obsessed with the Chick-fil-A ice. Well, that's been like my cravings, been like popsicles and ice because I have low iron. And then this is how this came out clean. Layla had to put her sticky hand over here, and we got this area nice and clean. Alright, you guys, if you made it this far, I just wanted to say thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.